So we will take attendance for today. So you're from MH Home Furniture and Berhad, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So you have 4 person total.
Yeah.
4 person. Okay, so we will take the attendance first. Okay, so start from the first person, Boon Yong Po. Oh, you. Okay, so okay, and then Chu Kwan Feng.
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, then Oi Biao. Okay, then the last one Lao Pei Ying. Okay, so today we will have our SalesHero training. Okay, so from 4 p.m. From 2 p.m. until 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so we'll start. So our SalesHero training, and then my name is Malvin. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide. So our objective is to help to train you guys on how to use SalesHero apps to place order for the salesman to place order using SalesHero apps. Okay. Okay. Next. So our session plan today is we have a training for 4 hours. So our location is our office here, first floor at our Jalan Rajauda, Patofla. So by the end of this session, so the participant will able to know how to use the SalesHero apps, how to operate the apps to send order, and then how to view the report. Okay, and then for the admin part is they know how to do setting in SalesHero backend. So we have a backend to control the salesman setting. Okay. So this is our schedule for today. So first we will have our introduction, our company background, then I will explain for the SalesHero the overall flow, and then next we will move on to how to download, how to install apps, and how to enable the device location, and then how to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then salesmen will able to use their own agent account to log in to the SalesHero app to place order, and then to send out the order. And then we will have our break time at 20 minutes after done the salesman training, and then we will continue by the sync tool and import tool training and guide on the advanced features in the apps. Okay, and then followed by SalesHero backend setting for the admin to know how to use SalesHero backend to do the salesman setting, how to upload the company profile picture, company logo, and do the salesman setting and upload the item photo and so on. So then we will have our questionnaire around 20 minutes, and then we will get your feedback after that, and then we will summarize the topic we learned today. So anyone have any question want to ask? Yeah.
For now is I think no.
No. Okay, everyone can get it. Okay. So I will introduce our company background. So our company background is we are SalesHero. We are the cloud-based B2B ordering solution for wholesaler like auto parts, hardware, and FMCG. And then we have over 13 years of experience in sales management system, and we are most experienced in this ordering apps field. And then we have around more than 3,000 users around Malaysia, whole Malaysia using our SalesHero apps. Okay, so next we'll move on to our customer satisfaction is 97% overall. So let me go through our company milestone. So first we were in 2009. So we have our boss have established this highlight technology. So at that time we more in like provide service like website as and software customization for our client. And then in 2010 we become a AutoCount SQL accounting dealer. Yeah, and then in 2011 March, our first version of SalesHero apps is launched at that time. Okay, and then 2018 we launched our StoreHero warehouse management system for the store to pick order. And then in 2020 we launched our another apps called SalesHero B2B. So this is for the customer directly send order to for customer directly place order through the using the apps. For the SalesHero is a salesman to place order, but for SalesHero B2B is directly for customer to place order lah. Yeah, and then in 2023 we have our new product launching is a Hero Dashboard, and then we also become AutoCount dealer, AutoCount accounting dealer lah in 2023, and then in 2024 we have our Hero e-invoice middleware launching and AI chatbox. So yeah, that's our company milestone. So we will move on to the next. So we also recognized as the MDEC for top 50 technology service provider in 2022. Okay, so this is our boss, and the person in charge give the certificate to our boss. So we also get a Shiba International Prestigious Business Award in 2022. It's a Rising Star Business Award. So this is the prize, the award we get. And then this is our boss getting the award by the host. So next we get the Nanyang Prestigious 100 Brands Award in 2023. Okay, this is the picture. So, okay. So next we also get KWYP Dr. Sun Yat-sen Spirit Award also in 2023. Okay. So this is the pride. And then this is the article, the newspaper interview us. So interview our boss, our SalesHero founder, Christopher Yip, with Outstanding Young Enterprise Award. So now I will show you the video of our SalesHero apps, the video. So I will play the video, so we will watch together. Okay, go on. I will play with the volume on. Okay, so next.
所有的公司计划的产品，不只可以为你带来更多的顾客，也可以为你带来更多的业绩。好，这个，还有这个，每个你给我1500个元，有什么最好的价钱给我？好了，我马上给到价钱了。Yes， 这个老板好哦，快点打他回去问一些。 好
板，那时候你去你的日子好玩哦。
Sam，进来我对象，有东西要谈。
你刚刚在谈什么？等下我还不了没事嘞。
老板，等一下啊，我先打回去一下。
求求你们快点接电话啦！
等下我还有meeting啊，我们下次再约啊。
这个月 cash flow 出现问题啊，到底这些 sales 在做什么？还有你们 admin 啊，今天已经几号了？到现在单还打不完，到底有没有做？
这些也不懂起来做什么。
唉，项目呢，只是按做完。
SalesHero App 是一个销售管理系统，这是你只需要按几个按钮就可以查到产品的资料、价钱还有库存量。最重要的是，还可以现场跟顾客下单。
Okay, next we'll have another video. Okay.
SalesHero App 是一个销售管理系统，这是你只需要按几个按钮就可以查到产品的资料、价钱还有库存量。最重要的是，还可以现场跟顾客下单。
有了 SalesHero、Sales Admin 跟 Sales Coordinator 同时不用再打了，更不用担心自己会打错单、搞错价钱或得罪客户。最重要的是 ，SalesHero 会自动帮你 generate sales report。
你的 Sales Line 还可以见更多的顾客，找更多的新 Sales。
你可以用更少的人手完成更多的订单。
用系统管理公司的 Sales，不只可以解决人类的缺陷，而且还可以快速的完成重复性的工作。
老板，难道你不想早点完成你的工作，增加公司的业绩，早点回家陪陪家人吗？
如果你想了解更多关于 SalesHero App 的资料和详情，
马上点击这个 video 的按钮，我们会尽快把资料发给你。我们下次再见。
SalesHero App 是一个销售管理系统，这是你只需要按几个按钮就可以查到产品的资料、价钱还有库存量。最重要的是，还可以现场跟顾客下单。
Okay, so we have watched our video. So any question after watching the video? Any idea?
Maybe know a little bit about SalesHero.
Okay. How about you? Never mind. I just asking the opinion lah after we watch the video. So how about you?
It's okay.
Yeah.
SalesHero can help the person that save a lot of time and also help a lot of the admin and also salesman to prevent from wasting time to answer for the customer.
Yeah, that's correct. So we will move on to our next session. This one, I will explain about the SalesHero system flow. Okay. So first, we will have every company will have their own accounting system. Okay. So accounting, we have a customer, item, and all the details lah. Okay. And then we will have our sync tool to sync all the data For example, item, customer, outstanding SO, invoice. Okay. Come on. Okay. I will repeat again. So I will explain about the SalesHero system flow. So first we will have every company will have their own accounting system to like store to record their customer item, to key in the sales order. Yeah. So we will have our sync tool, SalesHero sync tool, to sync all the accounting information. For example, I mentioned just now item customer, to sync up to our SalesHero server. Okay. And then after the salesman, they log into the ordering apps. Okay. After login, the apps will synchronize the latest data or synchronize all the accounting information sync up to the device. Okay, for example, if you add a new customer, the sync tool will synchronize, and then after that, the apps, if we do update and sync or synchronize, it will get the latest information. For example, a new item or new customer. Okay, and then salesmen, when they get the new item, then they can place order using SalesHero apps, and then they send the order to our server. Okay, they like create a new quotation sales order. Okay, and then they send out from the apps. So our server will receive the order. Okay, and then we will use, the admin will use the import tool, or we have a auto import features to import the orders back to your accounting system. So the admin no need to manually key in the order in their accounting system. So that's the whole flow of a SalesHero system. So anyone have any question would like to ask for this? Or you can use that mic. Yeah. Thing not yet on. Hold on, let me turn on.
Testing. Testing.
Oh. Okay, so
已经开了。So like we by ordering the apps by ordering items in the app, so indirectly go to the items company or
yeah, the item company.
So when it goes to import tools, so how it works to import the
So
item?
later on I will show you how it works. Okay. So besides that, have any question? Do you have any question to ask?
The import tool is for salesman or admin?
Admin.
Admin.
Yeah.
The sync tool also admin.
The sync tool, it auto sync .
Oh,
It will auto sync in the main PC. We will install in the main PC. So the import tool usually is in the main PC or in the admin PC . It's for the admin to import order. Yeah.
oh, okay, thank you.
Okay. So if no question, so we'll move on to the next slide. Okay. So everyone can, so every salesman, so you can download the SalesHero apps into your device . So you can go to Play Store or App Store. You search for SalesHero. You type in the word keyword SalesHero. So you already install, so you can open your apps, your application.
Martin, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What is the password for the Wi-Fi?
Okay, I will get you the password.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Go on, I will stop share this.
Còn chưa? Còn chưa?
Okay, so I will go on. So this is our office Wi-Fi password, username and password, the ID and password.
Okay.
The spot. So you all can log in to the SalesHero apps. So using the username and password on the screen. So sales one is you, Bong you, and then you is sales two,
Okay.
and you using the sales three account. So the interface is a bit different for the current SalesHero apps for the iPad and Android. Yeah. Okay, so first one I will guide you how to use how to enable the location and GPS in the SalesHero in your device. So if you want to use like check in, so you need to turn on the GPS, the location. So how to turn on the location? So you can scroll down and then you can turn on this. Then yours also. So you need to turn on the location.
May you skip to the previous slide? I didn't get the
Username password. Oh, okay.
Got. I got take the photo. You can continue.
Okay.
Sorry.
So you already log in?
Yeah.
So you can, in iPad, we just like turn on the location. Yeah. Can you see the location? Or you go to setting? Setting below. Yeah. And then you search for location, or you go to general and okay, so you already turn on, right?
Yes.
Okay, so already turn on. So Wi-Fi is connected to our Wi-Fi just now?
Connect already.
Okay, connect already, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Can follow? Can. So you need to turn on your hotspot, your location.
I can't find the
maybe you can go to your, okay, you can search for app.
This is what?
So you can search. You already installed SalesHero.
Yeah.
Direct sales or both lah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the LES. Got already. The first one.
So you need to turn on the permission. But you already turned on.
Yeah, already turned on.
Okay. So everyone already turned on the GPS location and the Wi-Fi already connected to our office Wi-Fi.
Malvin, I have a question.
Yes.
If don't have the Wi-Fi, can use the app?
Cannot. You cannot. You cannot send out the order or you cannot synchronize. You need to have internet connection to do update and sync to send out the order.
If didn't open the location of GPS, still can use or not?
Yeah, you can use.
Okay.
GPS and location is just for you to like check in, do the check-in, right?
Oh, okay.
It will detect your location. If you didn't turn on, the longitude and latitude do not have the details.
Okay, I see.
Okay. So the third one is guide you how to check your device storage. So on the in the iPad, you can find your device storage. Yeah, it's shown on top already. Yeah, that one is your storage. So you can see how much space you left for this iPad. Okay. So yours, okay?
Audio.
Yeah, still have
65% of the
yeah.
empty space.
Okay. How about you? Yeah. So you can see your storage here.
Can
Wow.
press it. Car.
Still a lot space. Already full.
Wait. Yeah, still have 7.9 GB available. Still can.
Yeah.
Still safe.
Still can use lah. Okay, next. So we'll go on our agent practical. So I will guide you how to use the SalesHero app to place order, how to log in to place order, okay, and to send out the order. And then we will have our frequent question issue sharing, and we will have a Q&A session later on. So the first one is log in to your own agent account in, okay, already logged in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Already.
So you can open your apps, okay? So we advise salesmen to synchronize their apps before they start their work, okay? And in the afternoon, maybe you can sync another time. Lunchtime, yeah. Because in the morning, the admin have keyed the new item or new customer. So in order to get the latest information, so salesmen it is advised to synchronize their app. Yeah. Okay, so do you know how to synchronize your app? So yeah, you go to the update and sync button.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you click on sync data now.
Okay.
And so you can press on the all to synchronize for Android.
Now for the iPad is
So for the iPad, you can see the synchronize button on the top right.
this one.
Yes. Then you press on that, and then you sync data. Click on sync data to synchronize. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so all know how to synchronize already.
Yes.
we will like, okay.
Okay.
So in every, after you log in, you're able to see your Android version and your username and your company name here, and the lasting date here. And then for the Android, for the iOS, you also can see your version. Okay, let me show you where. So here, you can see your version number, and your lasting date. Okay. So yeah, that's all. So next we will move on to create an quotation and sales order. So you can go to your app, and then you press on quotation first. Okay, we go to quotation, and then click on the new add new quotation button. So this is
Which one is the new quotation button?
this one, add new. So this is the front page is the send order list. After you have sent the order, you show in the front page. So you press on the add new quotation. Okay, yes. Then this is the customer list. Okay, this is the customer list. So okay. So this is the customer list. So you can select one of the customer. Yeah. So this is the stock list. So before we go to the customer list, so we will have you go back to the customer list. So in the customer list, we are able to see the customer code, customer name, and then the term, agent, your agent code, credit limit, and overdue limit. Okay. So for Android, we have I will share the hidden features later on. Okay. Okay, so you press in, select the customer. Okay, and then you can place order. So on top we can see how many items we have. Okay, and then we will able to see the customer name on top, and then you can search the keyword. We have a search keyword button there, and also we can select all item, price tag, or purchase history. Okay. Then you can also filter by your group, category, and your package. Okay, and aging report, outstanding SO report. So how to place order? So you can press the plus and minus button on the stock list. Okay, can get it? Okay, so you can press, if you want to like edit the item details, so you can press the I button. Yeah, here you can key in you can change the unit price, you can amend the unit price, the FOC quantity and discount, and also the remark and so on. So you can select the location. For Android, you just click on the item image button to edit the item details. Okay, so now you can like place one order, testing one order, and send out.
Send us this button.
Okay, now you at the summary report here, so you can here in the stock summary page here, the summary order page. So for Android and iOS, you can drag, you can reorder the item. Okay, you just hold. So you just hold, and then you can drag and drop. You can rearrange. So for iOS also same. You can rearrange the sequence. Okay.
Okay.
So we can send out or we can like save. Okay, now we send out the quotation first. Yeah.
By this button.
Yeah, the send button.
Okay.
What's the difference send and save?
Okay, send if you directly send out the order. So save maybe, for example, the sales person haven't key in all the order yet because waiting pending the boss, okay, the customer side to, because they want to add on more item. So we can save the order first, and then after that, then we can add on the more item. So you can try to save first.
Okay.
Yeah.
I only have the save button.
Then you click on that, then you click save. Okay. So now your quotation is have a yellow highlighted button. The document button is yellow, means it's in save. So this is the doc date and the quotation number. Okay, this and the amount. So if you want to add item, so you just press in and you view and edit quotation. So you can share with the admin together to see how it works. So for iPad, so Android, after you view and edit, right? Below have the shopping cart button. You can press on you view and edit, and then below have a shopping cart button. You can press, and it will go to the stock list. Then you can add more item. Yeah, you can add more item from the stock list, and then you can, after the customer confirm the order, then you can send out the order. So from here you can, this is the shopping cart button for iPad. So you can add more item, add another item, for example. Okay, so you go to next. So you have just now have 2 items. Now you added the number 3 item. Okay. So yeah, then you can, after the customer confirm the order, then you can click on save. Then you click on the send button. Yeah, you press send. Okay. So if send, you can go to your quotation, send button to check your order status, already sent. Okay. Yeah. So now, okay, we will go to sales order. Okay. Okay, so you choose one customer. Okay. So it's the same method. The sales order and quotation is the same. Just the quotation is like you giving the quotation price to the customer. Okay. So so we will have one practical for this sales order lah. So you can place order for 5 items. Okay, with the, you can key in the discount 3 times. Okay, so and then yeah, you can key in the discount, and then we'll check later.
Like this?
Yeah, and then you can key in here.
The amount.
Yeah, you can key in the amount and so you can key in 5 orders. So every item, 5 items in one order, and then every item need to have discount in discount percent and ringgit. So 3 times. So 3 times, then the discount, you need to have percent and ringgit. Okay, so you can, yeah.
So this is the subtotal after discount lah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So 5 items lah. So you need to do five items. So can you key in the item, the discount? Need to have 3 times the discount, 3 plus 3 plus 2 like that. So you can send out one order. Yeah, can follow?
I think so. Is it like this?
3 times. You need to have 3 times. Yeah. So actually you can edit the discount at the summary page. Yeah. So you just click on this. Yeah, you just click on here, then add another. Press on the plus button or here plus button. Okay, can follow?
Oh, can follow.
Yeah.
On here can see all the.
Okay, how about you? Can able to follow?
Okay.
Then you can send out the order lah from your apps.
But this have the remark 1, remark
Okay, so you can key the remark 1, remark 2.
For the remark, need to write like any template things or just remark like notification.
You just write a testing order.
Testing order.
Okay, we have 2 remark. One is the item remark. One is the order remark. So this is the item remark.
This is the item remark.
Okay, so this is the item remark. You press on save.
Save.
So order remark. So for Android is here. Add details. Below here is the order remark.
Oh, I see.
So you can key in the order remark. Yeah. And then you sign out.
So this is the order remark lah.
Yeah.
Here. And here is the item remark.
Yes.
What's the difference between item remark and order remark?
Because some the salesmen they order the item, but in the item details they are not able to select colors. They are only able to select the pieces, how many pieces, how many carton. So customer want different variants color, so you can key in the item remark. Okay, that's the point of it. So for the order remark, maybe it's like for the whole order, maybe the customer they want to deliver the stock by tomorrow. Okay, so here or the order is urgent, so they can key in the remark urgent. Okay. So can you follow? Able to follow?
Can.
Yeah, I already sent out the order just now. Yeah, you can send out. Okay, so you also can send out the
Can
order.
send out.
Yeah, send out.
Send.
Yeah, please press send. So you need to. This is the mandatory. So you need to select.
Like tomorrow, then press tomorrow.
Okay.
For the remark tree is for the payment method.
No, this is like yeah, you can just select lah. Then you can send out the order.
Send out.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The remark sum is not mandatory lah, just like optional. So everyone can get how to create a sales order.
Can.
Okay,
Yeah, very
no
clearly.
problem. Okay, so next we move on to So we have invoice. Okay, invoice. So invoice is we issue invoice to our customer after they confirm the purchase. Okay. And then payment is we collect payment. So for salesman, they go to the customer side. So to collect payment, so you can create payment in your apps, and it will, you can key in the amount you receive and the payment method, and also the payment method and the amount and the knock off invoice. You want to knock off which invoice the customer want to knock off. Okay, so you can select the invoice lah. Okay.
What is IBG?
IBG is interbank transfer.
Oh.
Yeah, check is the check lah.
Okay. E-wallet still can. For the e-wallet is scanning for the QR code or just directly transfer to email.
You can put in the you can upload the QR into your through your backend. You can upload a picture, QR picture, and then it will show after you select the e-wallet payment type. Okay. So next, invoice. Okay, invoice, sales order and quotation is the same lah, the same method, how to place order. But invoice we have a payment inside. For example, like cashiers. So now we open one cashiers in your apps.
One
Cashiers.
Okay.
Yeah. Cashiers is you directly sell the item to your customer, then they pay cash on the spot. Okay, just the same. Okay, you can go into select the customer, and then you place order directly. So, okay, when you press send, it will prompt out the payment amount. So, by default, it will show the total amount here first. Okay, and then you can select the payment type and the remark. Okay.
Send.
Yeah, you can send out. So it will, for the cashiers, it will create the payment also. So payment here 002, it will show out here. So for cashiers, it will create cashier's order and the payment order together. Okay, and also if you want to for the cashiers, if you want to save, okay, we can save the order. So we open another cashiers. So when we send payment, right, we can input the zero amount. So have you sent out the cashiers just now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now we try to create a cashiers with payment zero amount. So we able to edit the cashiers after that. Okay, so we create a new cashiers. Okay, so if you press on send, we put zero amount and then we pay, then save. Can you follow?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Need to insert the quantity. Next.
So for no payment is like free of charge.
Sorry?
For the item, if I didn't I put for the payment zero lah. So this item is free of charge.
Not, we haven't do the payment yet. Only. Still need to pay. So, how about you? Okay, everything can follow. Okay, so for the payment, this one is the cashiers, right? So you put in zero amount. So you click on save, and you save it. Then you go to order. So go to cashiers. So you still able to add.
quantity zero quantity zero
哦
你要选一
，no，不是这样。
对 quantity one 然后 save 然后按这个
Yeah, this is the cases. So you can still add if you haven't do payment yet. For the cashiers, you can still add from the card.
你看 payment 那里
Okay, so
看 payment 会
that's
扣
all.
你看他只有看给你看到
So you can add one item.
那个零都没有。单了已经
Done. Can add
Can
can.
add.
Then but you know payment.
Yeah, I checked already. The payment there is no new limit.
Okay, for example, you create a new order,
New order. Okay.
new cashiers.
New cashiers
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then you save without payment.
Save,
Zero.
huh?
Zero. Okay, save.
Okay.
Okay. So you do together. Okay.
Save. Save scanner here. Save. 那个零。这个零。
我看一下。
然后可以，然后 save 零 save yeah then
Okay. Then you view the cashiers,
view the cashiers.
and then you can add more item, right? So okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you add more item. Okay. So if you press on the send button, it will not show you the payment. So by this step, so you need to manually add the payment.
Add here.
Yes. And then you choose the payment type,
Okay.
and then you you just simply
Okay.
choose save,
Save.
and then you send out.
Send out.
Yeah. So you can. So for the cashiers, if you want to save, you want to add on more item later, so you need to put in the payment with zero amount. Yeah. So then only you view the cashiers, and then you add more item, then you make the payment manually. Yeah, can follow? Here.
Yeah. Select. Yeah. Correct. Select. Check. Select one.
Then you save. Then you send.
Send.
Okay.
Success.
So everyone can follow.
Okay.
Okay. So now we go to our menu. Okay. So here you can also open a credit note, call card, and so on. Okay. So in the apps, you can also view customer. You can press in the customer.
Okay.
So you can view the details. So you press in, you can view the customer address. Okay? You can view the customer address term and the attention, the delivery information, and so on. Okay? So, and also you can view the item. So below is the stock list. So this is all the item is available in your company. So you can show as a catalog to your customer. Okay. So you press on the I button, you can view the item by location and so on. So if you want to view the location, balance, quantity, this is cannot select one.
Oh.
It's just for you to view lah.
Oh, I see.
Okay. So can follow? Okay. So you can press on the button, the details to view the details lah. Yes, this is the reference price. Yeah. So if you want to view for the iPad, you want to view the item details. So you can press on this. Sorry. Here. So you can view the group, quantity, the minimum price, and the quantity and the distribution. Yeah, that's all.
听得到 testing
Okay. So beside that, our apps can also view this is check-in.
check-in.
So we will come and we will do one check-in together.
Okay.
So first you go to check-in, add new check-in, and then you select the customer. So this one ad is to add a new customer. So if you want to select, you just press on this and select one customer. Add new check-in and press select customer. Yeah, you select one. Then you select the address. So this is if you have turned on the GPS, it will show your location and the date and the latitude and longitude.
Wow.
Yeah.
For the building?
Yes.
This building is for what?
This is you select the branch.
Oh.
Yeah.
But okay.
Yeah. And okay, so you go to the customer place to check in. So your boss must ask you to capture the picture of the outlet. So you can press on this button. Then you open camera to take picture. Then yeah. Okay. So you can. Okay, so you can capture, and then your boss able to see this check-in. Okay. So able to capture. So we will have one is check-in only, and one is check-in and check-out. Okay. So now we want to do check-in and check-out together. So you can press on this button. So this one is send check-in only. We use the second one, save and check out later. So you save and check out here. Able to follow? Hold on, I will come to you. Yes. So you press on this. Cancel. You press check-in first. So after check-in, you go to your order. So you go to this check-in. So you will show it here. Yeah. So this is just now you check in. Now after I click on that, it will check out. So you can press on this one. So if you want to check out, draft here. Press the button here, and then you can press on checkout. And then you can press checkout. Yeah. After that, you are able to see your checkout details. Check in. I think the checkout already sent.
No.
Yeah. So on the Android part, so you already saved it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a yellow highlighted and check out waiting. So you press on that and check out. And if you want to go back to the, you press on no, or you can click inside here and view location. Okay, and then it will have the check out details here. Check out date and the longitude and latitude. So you can type in the remark or anything. Okay, and then you press on the aeroplane button, send button, and press checkout. Press yes. So can follow?
Malvin, I have a question.
Yes.
After the child can do the remark of
Cannot. You need to do before you send. Yeah. Okay, so we go back to our apps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go sales inquiry. We can view. Currently, we haven't have any purchase history yet, so the sales inquiry is blank. So after that, you can go and view your purchase sales inquiry. This approval list is for the if your order need approval. You can go after you send out the order. Your boss need to approve it. You have a pending list on that page. Okay, and then you can go to the aging report is to view your customer aging, how much your customer owe you, how long is the due date, the total outstanding amount is how much. Okay, and the amount. Okay, and then we press on this. This is report is to view the summary report. You go to report, summary report. This report is for you to view your daily sales or your monthly sales. Here you can see how much sales order you send out, the cash sales you send out. Yeah, can follow? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Yes. So now I have one assignment for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
So can key in one invoice, okay, with 3 items inside and with payment.
3 items inside with payment.
Yeah. One invoice with 3 items inside with payment and also discount. Yeah.
Payment and also discount. All the item need to discount or only one item?
Yeah, any discount.
Okay.
Okay, so already done.
Done.
So let me have a look. Yes. Okay, invoice.
Send out or save?
Send out. So payment.
Discount.
Yes, discount. Okay, that's great. How about you?
I think not sure.
Okay, yeah. Well, good, great. Good job.
Good.
Okay. So how about you?
Do the invoice right?
Yes. Okay, so we have already done all the assignment given.
Yeah.
Yeah, give a clap to your own self. Yeah, applause to your own self. You have done. So, how you feel using this app to place order compared to your previous method?
Efficient.
Efficient.
Yeah, very efficient. Fast.
Fast. Okay, how about you?
I think I think it's good.
Good? Good. Okay, no problem. So, how about admin? Will it reduce your workload after you feel they're using this app? Maybe you haven't tried the import tools yet, so later on I will give you to experience how to import the orders, the salesman key into the accounting lah. Yeah, so okay. So okay. So any question, anyone have any question would like to ask?
So like if we want to do an order, let's say, and then like the item just modified, then we need to order items. Is it can still import the order?
Sorry, I couldn't get your question.
So like we want to order an item for like for example like laptops.
Yeah.
So this was available for 5 only. Then the customer needs like 10. Then still can order it or not?
So if your salesman setting didn't have the blocking for the balance quantity, you still can order more than the balance quantity lah. Yeah.
Understand.
If your salesman setting is set to block for the balance quantity, so you cannot order the item.
Oh, so there's 2 options.
Yeah. So you can control. You either want to block or allow. Yeah.
Oh.
Or alert. Alert means will trigger a message for the salesman to be aware of the order quantity is more than the balance quantity lah. Yeah. Later I will show you on the back end setting for the admin part.
Okay.
So all salesmen able to use the app to place order?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So convenient or not? Like using the app?
Very convenient.
Yeah, very convenient. Right?
Save time.
Okay. Yeah. So we have complete all the tasks given.
Okay.
So
Nice.
we have go through all this. So next is our Sync 2 training. Okay. And import tools to import the orders. Okay. So now we will go to the admin PC to look on how to import the orders. Okay. So let me stop share first. Come on. Okay, so all the salesmen can come over. Yeah. We will take a look on how to import the orders. Okay, so so you can go, this is the sync tools. So we can use this, we can manually click lah, or we can wait for the auto synchronize to sync all the item, to sync all the accounting information. Okay, after it run all complete, then the sync tools will automatically close. Okay, so so that's all. So we'll go to import tools here. Okay, so we will have this. We can go to the quotation first. So this is the import tools. Then we can select the transaction type. So we can select quotation, sales order, invoice, payment, and so on. So you can select quotation, for example, click on generate. So we have 2 orders tools order here. So you can choose select all, and then you click on import to accounting. So it will import to accounting directly without need to the admin need to key in the sales order or the quotation one by one. Okay, you see it's very fast, right? Yeah. So we can go to the accounting to check the orders. So you go to sales, and then you go to quotation. So we will have this quotation. You press open, double click. This is the order just now or the salesman sent out. And okay, so no, you just press this. Okay, close this, and then you minimize. Okay, so you go to the transaction type, sales order. So we can click on generate. So we have 4 orders here. Is sent out by you guys So you can select all, or you can manually click. So here from the import tools, if you want to view the PDF, no need. You can show you how to. You can you can double click on this order. Go on. Okay. It will need some time to run, so you can see the sales order in PDF. Okay, you can double click. The admin can double click to check the order details, the customer details, the customer order Okay. So you can close this. You just minimize. Okay, so you can select all, and then you import to accounting. Wait, give me a moment. Hold on. Okay, so click on generate. So you can click on these 3 orders. This is okay, and then you click on import to accounting. Okay, after import, then you check your orders. You can go to the sales order, and then you check the order details. That is correct. This is the remark you key in just now. The header remark. So that's all. So we back to our seat. Thank you.
Very much.
Okay, còn chưa? Chương trình này, chương trình này. Okay, so now we back to our slide. So just now we have training on how to use the in-sync tool and the import tools to import the orders and view the orders in SQL accounting. So how do you guys feel on the import tools? Will it reduce the workload of the admin? So the admin will have more time to do more important job instead of key in the order into accounting So this is more convenient and less human errors. Because if you use the traditional ways to create order, maybe you use paper or WhatsApp, maybe sometimes you have miscommunication or human error. Key in order will have human error, and this is a more convenient way and a faster way to send and import the orders into the SQL accounting. So just now the sync tool is, we have I've run the sync tool. The sync tool is to sync the accounting information to our server, and then the app, you'll get the latest info once you have added new data. So if you synchronize, if you get the new latest information, and then you can key in the order, and then you can send out the order, and then the admin can use the import tool to import the order into the SQL accounting system. Okay, so that's a more convenient way and save the time of if like you use traditional way, you need to call back to the office and confirm the balance quantity is sufficient or not to support, and if want to add a new customer. So in the apps you can also add new customer. Yeah. Okay. So you also can try to add new customer using the SalesHero apps. Okay, so you can go to the customer. Okay.
Then press this.
Yeah, press this button.
Okay.
Then you can fill in the customer name, company name, the billing address, and so on. Yeah, you also can, for iOS also same, go to customer and then add new customer, and you send out the new customer from your apps. So, any question?
No, nothing. Even what? Okay, again. Simple, so cannot.
So I will get the printer for you guys to print the orders. Okay.
Still here again. Why? Why movie one?新菜。快点抢！难得哦，不能哦，放不上去哦。
不能。
我放你照片，我两个都放你，这个还是不能。
我计划就这么毁了吗？
我放实物照片又能，知道吗？
Okay, already add new customer and send out, right?
This is all the things like this only.
Yeah. So all the field you're able to fill in.
Okay.
Yeah.
One, two, three, four, five.
This test identification number, just write 0.
Yeah, you just try dash to skip.
Oh, dash. Okay. Dash. Bank account number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Bullet attention is for what?
For you can write the person name.
Okay.
Okay, already done?
Done.
So next we will go on to the number 3, how to link and print document via Bluetooth printer. So we will start from the iPad side. Okay, so now you have turned on the Bluetooth.
This.
Yes, okay. So if you want to print, so you go to here, setting, and then you search for, press on the printer, and then you search printer. So you select printer, view printer. Okay.
This one.
And then after you connected, so you can go to your home page, order. So for example, you have sent out the payment now. So for example, the okay, sales order.
可以哦，可以加到我啊，照片。
And then you can
右下面
print, press on the three dot,
它虽然讲贴了，但是还在
哦，
three
是还是下
three
面。
dot, and then you press on the print button.
在哪里啊？我爱聊，我爱聊。
Then you
我爱聊
press on
去哪里
confirm.
去哪里啊？
你找到你找
我打什么？我自己忘记啊。啊，有。
This is some have some bugs here. Okay, never mind. We will go on to the for the Android side.
OK，
So, or you can come over.
OK，差不多。
Yeah. No, 有问题。Okay, so next. So you turn on the Bluetooth first.
OK， I open the Bluetooth.
Okay, so you pair first. Pair the printer.
Run searching.
Okay.
This OK。
Yeah, this. Okay, you 40.
40.
Yes, connect.
OK。
Confirm.
OK， connect already.
Connect already, and then you go to your order,
Order.
and then you go to the cashiers just now.
OK。
So you press on the not tick, not this one. Press on this,
OK。
and then you press on
Reprint 啊。
reprint.
OK。
So you need to select the printer first. Select this, and then the paper size you select is 3 inch. Oh, too fast.
can 了。
Yeah, can, but it's,
Too long.
It's 2 inch size because
Oh,
you see that.
哎，I didn't print 啊。
Because you press on the button.
Oh.
Yeah,
So one is OK 啊。
yeah.
OK， can.
So this is the way on how to link the Bluetooth printer to print out the order, to print out the Bluetooth, using the Bluetooth printer to print out the receipt using SalesHero apps.
OK。
Okay, all good?
Good.
Okay, so this is maybe it will check with our technical team later on why the app are unable to print
Okay.
because this is our beta testing app. Okay.
Can we go to toilet?
Yeah. Later
Okay.
in a short while.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we have done all Sync 2 training and how to use the import tool to import orders and view orders, and also guide to link and print the document via Bluetooth printer lah. So any question for this part?
No.
I have a question. The
Yeah.
input tool, right?
Yes.
Only can manually import or
So we can set auto or manually. Some customer they prefer manual, some they prefer auto. So it depends on the customer. Yeah. So that's all. Okay. So I will go to the next slide. Is guide on the advanced features on SalesHero apps. So SalesHero apps, we have some hidden features. So like just now we can drag and drop the item, rearrange the sequence. So the next one, we already done the number second, guide
Yeah.
and print document via Bluetooth. So I will go through the first one. Okay, so after this we will go to our, you can go to the washroom. Okay, so you go to the, for example, sales order. You go sales order, and then you already in this page. Okay, hold on. So you press on add new sales order. So in the customer list page, so you not need to click here. So you can save the customer location into your apps. So what should we do? So we can scroll.
Oh.
Yeah, we have an update button. Okay. Yeah, got already. Yeah, this is the, okay. So for example, today you go to the customer location. So you want to save the customer address into your phone. So next time you can use the SalesHero app to bring you to this location, to navigate to this location. So you can save the location here into your customer list, and then you can use the SalesHero apps to open a Waze or Google Map and bring you to that location. Okay, so after you save you got the location, so you can scroll and go now. So go now, you can go to the setting here and the setting. So here you can select the navigation, navigation. So you can choose either Google Map or Waze. So for your site, iOS is also the same. So you can save the location and you click update. So it will have the address below after you update. Okay. Just now, which customer you update? This one. Okay. So you update this one, right? So you can also press go now to open the Waze and bring you to the customer location. Okay. This is the hidden features in our SalesHero apps.
Technology.
Okay. All good?
All good.
Yeah. So this is the
Hidden function.
Yeah, hidden function. Not all user will notice this function. Okay. And so the advanced report is to view the invoice after you create a sales order and the admin have created an invoice. So you can view the invoice here after they issue the invoice. Okay. So the first one is the advanced features in the SalesHero apps. So we have a lot of advanced features. Okay. For example, you can duplicate your document. Yeah. So for example, you go to the sales order, for example. So you can duplicate. You can press hold for a long time, and then you can duplicate the document. And you can duplicate to which document type. Can follow? Cannot. You can duplicate the document. So for example, the same customer they want to order the same item, repeat order So you can use this duplicate to duplicate the document. You no need to key in again. Yeah. Okay. So after you create the order, okay, so you can also send a PDF to your customer. So you go into the sales order, one of the sales order. Okay. So you can preview PDF, and then you can share or download, or you can share it to your customer directly. Yeah. Okay, for iPad, some iPad do not have SIM card. They didn't support the WhatsApp features. Yeah. So you need to have the SIM card to able to download the WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. All is good.
Yeah, all is good.
So we have done the first one and the second one for the how to link to Bluetooth and the hidden features, the advanced features. Okay. So after that we will move on to the office admin and the frequent asked question later lah. So before we end the salesman session today, so any question would like to ask?
No, I didn't have any questions.
Okay.
I think right now is no.
No lah.
For now.
For now.
Okay.
Okay.
So we will have our break.
Okay.
So after we will have our break around 20 minutes time. Okay, so we will go to your washroom and take a break. Yeah.
後個食飯啲啊，下後。
Okay, so welcome back everyone. So let me get the attendant. Okay, so the first one, because we need to get for our attendant for the HRDC claim, so we need to take attendance for the training. So first person, Bun Yong Po. Yeah. Okay. And then second, Chu Kwan Feng. Okay. Then Oi Piao. Okay. And Lao Pei Ying. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So everyone having already went to the washroom and rest and have enough rest. Okay. So next. Okay, this one we already done just now, and also this one. Okay. So before we go to the office admin practical, so I would like to have an assignment. Give assignment to all the salesmen. Okay. So I need you guys you all to create a invoice with payment. Okay. So in the invoice have 5 items. Right? Have 5 items. So each of the item need to have 5 times of discount. Okay, 5 times of discount. And also after that you can send out you can share the PDF to me.
How many times? 5 times.
5 times of discount.
5 times of.
5 times of discount. So 5 items lah, 5 times of discount. And also yeah, the last step is to forward the PDF to share the PDF. So we'll give you around 3 minutes time to create the order. Five times of discount. Done. So you can check your discount.
Need to send or not?
Oh no, this only 3 times of discount. Maximum.
Because they give us maximum is 3 times only.
Oh okay.
So we only can add 2 times.
Oh, 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Just for 3 times, and also share the PDF to me.
Okay.
Yeah, you have my number. You have my number, right?
What number? I need to learn. Oh shit.
I can give you my number so you can forward the PDF to me. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, this and PDF to you. Number?
Okay, 016
016
4873
4873
3678. This is my personal.
Okay.
You don't need to save the contact. Just you can like you type your own account, right? WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, your own account. Your own account. Have inside.
016.
Yeah. Don't have.
No?
Yeah. Then you forward.
Yeah. I first. Okay.
Yes.
So I just screenshot or
You just forward, share to my WhatsApp.
Okay.
None.
Then it's done.
Okay. And need to sign up. Yes. You send to the below one. Yours. Never mind. I will come to your place. Okay. Because iPad is not able to share. Okay. 3 times. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, 5. Okay, can. Okay, no problem. Okay, press done. Okay. So I will explain more on this stock list page. So here you can do sorting on the item code or distribution or the balance quantity lah. Okay. Android side can sorting the function option can. Okay. How you sorting in Android?
Just press the button here.
This is a view. Okay, this one also have in iPad is the view. So you can view medium or view large icon or by list.
Large.
This is the view layout.
No. That's filter.
Okay. So this one is the sales inquiry. You can see on the below here. You can see your sales inquiry.
Sales inquiry.
Yeah, sales inquiry. And this is the aging button. This is a statement. And this is the customer statement. And then this is the outstanding SO report. So outstanding SO means you already import the order into the sales order but haven't transferred to invoice. That means outstanding sales order. Because haven't synced up the history. Invoice. So we need to, just now we only import quotation and sales order, right? So we haven't import the invoice yet. Yeah, we need to transfer from SO to invoice. Only then the purchase history we are able to show. Okay, here you can filter by group, category, brand, or you can see the package. Currently, your company haven't create package yet, so we skip this first for the package. So later on, the admin side will create the package, and then you can view the package here. Okay, package means you can in one package you have a few items inside the package. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. So this and iOS have one special function is this. Okay, for example, love, you can mark as favorite. Then you go out and then you go in again. You show it on top. Yeah, this is the advanced features in iOS. So back to our Android side. Okay, so here you can filter. But for the Android, the sorting is not in the stock list, it's in the setting. Let me show you. You go back again, and then you go to this, go to setting. Okay, and then you can go to the item feature, then you can sort by this way. You can choose a code, distribution, balance, quantity, and then you can sort by ascending or descending. Yeah, all can get it. Yeah. So some of the features like iOS, they can insert the wallpaper. If the background is white color, right? So you can insert the wallpaper, the item, the image you want. For iOS, for Android, do not have this function. So yeah, so PDF format, you can adjust the sign, and you can sort the document number. This is the order list lah. The send list, you can sort by document number, descending, ascending, or you can delete the document by date range. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for the assignment. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll go on to our office admin practical. Okay, first is we will talk about the back end, the SalesHero back end, and then we will have a frequent asked question session. Okay, sharing. So for the apps, customer usually will ask on mostly is setting, how to block the balance quantity, how to block overdue, because some customer, they already overdue, they don't want the customer to place order. Okay, we can block the customer is more exceed overdue limit, and also some others like the discount, we can give up to 5 times. Also the setting is in the SalesHero backend. Okay, and also in the backend we can reset the salesman app's login password. So just now the password is 123456. So after that, admin will need to reset the password because already revealed to you guys so need to change to a new password to provide the privacy of all the salesman account. Okay, and we will have our Q&A session. So first we will go through the SalesHero backend, the company setting, configuration, and then second one is how to upload the product image, and then the third is to control hide stock in the iFilter, and how to do the ATM setting. The ATM stand for Advanced Territory Management. So for example, sales A customer, they want the second salesman to view the sales one customer, so we can have the setting also. So later on I will show you. Okay, and the sub-admin permission control, and also how to check and view the orders. How to check and view orders sent by salesman. Just now you guys send out a lot of orders, right? So we can check back the orders, the order details, what is the item, and quantity, and so on. Okay, so next we'll show you guys on the SalesHero backend. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so this is our SalesHero backend. The URL is cloud.salesheroapp.com. Okay, so you can key in the email and the password, and then you click on login. Okay. So I will show you our demo account. So this is the main account. So after you log into your SalesHero backend, you in the home page here you will notice have 5 company, salesman, product, order, and admin. So this is the frequent module we will use in the SalesHero backend. That's why it will have the shortcut in the home page here. So we go on to the customer list. Okay, then we select the customer company. So usually we'll have one company. Okay, and then you have your company name here on top. And then so after this, the admin need to fill in the address. So if we didn't fill in the address, when we preview the PDF, it will not show the address. It will show blank. Okay. So for example, I put this one. This is a sample address. And then we put in the postcode. And the city. And the state. So country is important for the e-invoice. Okay. So you can key in your phone number, fax number, and your company website. So next is so now your SalesHero apps do not have the company logo, right? Yeah. So for example, we can go to you can go to your website and get the company logo lah. Okay, so for example, this is just testing. Okay. So you can upload the image type. Some is not supported. So make sure is JPG or PNG lah. So if we have uploaded the item image, okay, so we update again. So we go back, we are able to see this company logo uploaded. So after you do the update and sync in your device, your apps, So you're able to see this company logo show in the SalesHero app. So type of accounting is using your company is using SQL accounting. So you select SQL accounting, and okay. So this is the SGST and SST setting. So if your company have a tax, so you can turn this on, tax inclusive, or have a GST, SST, you can turn it on. Okay. So move on, we will have our asset credit limit. This setting is like for allow, alert, control, and block. Same goes to asset overdue, alert, allow, alert, block. Okay, asset credit limit means for the customer, each customer they have their own limit. For example, 20,000. So they cannot purchase or own more than 20,000. So you guys know, right, what the credit limit means? Yes, like for a credit card, you have your limit.
If you overdue, they cannot. You didn't pay the limit.
They cannot. You cannot place order lah.
Yeah.
So we have this setting in the SalesHero apps. So allow means you can place order even though if exceed credit limit. So alert means it will prompt an alert message once you exceed the credit limit. Control means you can, if after exceed credit limit, you still can order one time. And block means it will directly block after you exceed the credit limit. So you can see the I button here. So it's not very clear. So you can see to allow new order, to block, or alert user when but allow new order, allow as once exceeded. Control means allow, then block means to block the new orders if exceed credit limit. So exceed overdue means, for example, today I open an invoice. Okay, today the admin open an invoice, but the customer credit term is 30 days. So in accounting we have a different customer. We can create different term. For example, 30 days, 90 days, or 60 days. So for example, 30 days. Today the admin create an invoice on October 8th of October. Okay. So 30 days term means the customer have time if given until November 8th to pay the invoice amount. After that, if customer didn't pay after November 8th, means it become overdue. Yeah.
Is there any charging for the overdue?
That depends on the customer, because some customer they charge based on the percentage. How if they didn't pay, then have the penalty something like that. So in the invoice it will stated very clearly in the bottom. Some they put as a note for the customer to be aware. Okay, so we have alert, allow, alert, and block. Means after the overdue, after the customer is overdue, they cannot place order. The salesman cannot place order for the customer. Alert means it will alert, but still you can proceed. Allow means no blocking. Do not have any alert, or you still you can directly press and go into the stock list and place order. Okay, so this minimum price and the order you can follow SalesHero or accounting. Mostly is we follow accounting one, because accounting the admin already key in the minimum price and the item details, the reorder level, quantity. So usually we will follow accounting. So this when exceed credit limit or overdue limit is 0. So can someone answer this? When credit limit or overdue limit amount is 0, have no limit or 0.
Or when the credit limit or the overdue limit is 0, then they were showing that is that 0 or there's no limit to the user to the customer.
Yeah, it's partially correct.
Huh?
Means okay, some accounting like auto count, especially the credit limit or overdue limit, or sometimes they put 0, but that doesn't mean it's 0. Sometimes it's no limit because it default value is 0.
Oh, I see. So you mean is some company that is always so 0, but that not means that the credit limit is not overdue lah.
Yeah, yes, it's because the default setting is like that. They put 0 for auto count. If they didn't set, the default value is 0.
So maybe like the credit limits like is 0. So for the no limits, it's still will go on like negative.
If like no limits means the credit limit in the auto count is 0.
Yeah.
Then if I put no limit means no limit.
Or they didn't check lah.
Yeah.
Still the amount still go on.
Yeah, means unlimited lah. Means if you put 0 means it's really 0. Yeah, because the credit limit or overdue limit sometimes in the auto count is set as default value is 0. Then the customer they didn't go and change it, so we given the option for them to select whether it's no limit or 0, whether it's really no limit . Yeah, so think it's a bit confused, right, for this setting. It's okay, understand? Yeah. So this send email is to send the approval email . So the approve or reject order means in our SalesHero apps we have the approval features. If the salesman open the order below the minimum price, maybe it will trigger then approval need the boss to approve . Yeah. Okay, then we go on to the below here HRDC display, so you can display by default percentage or amount for the FOC. Okay, so this stock price decimal we set as 2 decimal point, means you can set like 50 ringgit, 38 cents like that.
You routing or not?
Rounding is depend on this setting, 5 cent rounding. If you turn on, it will rounding. Yeah, this just now I missed out this 5 cent rounding. And the stock quantity decimal now is 0 because our furniture do not have any decimal point. It's either 1 unit, 100 unit, 200 unit, right? For your company.
For item lah.
Yes.
Cannot be half one. Hard cut now.
Yeah, so we cannot set quantity in decimal . We put 0 in that case because for your item is furniture, so you do not have decimal point.
If the customer write 3.8, it will count 3 only lah. On routing the 4.
It depends one. If you put the decimal point is 0, right? It will auto become 4.
Auto become 4.
Yeah.
Or it will drop off by itself lah.
Yeah. If you didn't put the decimal .
Okay.
Okay. So beside here we have a PDF setting, right? So this PDF setting you can put the footer note, PDF note here. mostly the customer will put their own bank account, the company name, the bank holder name, and the bank account number lah. Okay, and then this is can show the agent or decision. Okay, just now I have missed out. So in the order list, for the salesman, they can select the billing and the delivery address. Okay. So now it's only salesman can select the billing address, the delivery address. So you can go to this customer setting. This is the mandatory control lah. Okay. Order list setting. Here, just now the customer setting is need to fill in the customer address lah, compulsory if you tick. So this one for the order delivery address. So if I put this edit and choose, means salesman can choose the delivery address or can type in themselves. Off mean the salesman cannot select. And also edit can type in or can only choose. So this setting is they can do both edit and choose. So order billing address currently is off because the salesman is not allowed to change the billing address except we give them the setting. Okay, we set the setting to edit and choose. So any question?
No.
No?
What is for S tracking?
This one is our advanced features for like to track the salesman, where they go to, how they travel. Yeah.
Or how the
road
courier
yeah.
route to deliver.
Not the courier, means the route.
Oh, track for the route.
Means which customer you receive, then which road you use.
I see. What's the AI processing order setting?
AIPO, this is our new features. We can like automate we can detect the PO order and import to accounting without need to key in without need to type in. Yeah. Okay. So next we have a price rule setting. This one is we can set a last purchase, price tag or reference price, the sequence. Okay. And below here we have like auto check-in. This auto check-in means once you create an order, for example you create a sales order or quotation, it will automatically help you to do check-in. Yeah, without you need to press open the sales order, then you need to go to check-in again on it. So you open this when you create a sales order or any order, then it will help you to do auto check-in. Okay. Then the payment option you can select. Allow send only means you can only send, you cannot save. Allow save, send and preview means you can send and preview. Allow save and send means you can save also, you can send. Okay. So any question for this part?
No.
No? Okay. So once you have update any setting, so you need to click on the update button, and then salesman update and sync can get the latest setting from SalesHero band. Okay. Once we do any changes here, salesman need to do the synchronize step. Okay. Next we move on to salesman list. Okay, so we have 3 salesman account here. Sales 1, Sales 2 and Sales 3. Okay. Okay. So we can see that we have this salesman account. This is your company name, your agent code. This is the login email, and this is the order type. You can create sales order, invoice, quotation, credit note, or knock off and payment, and so on. Then the position is salesman. So the active means it's still active, the salesman. And also sync at means when is the last you do update and sync. So admin able to know which salesman haven't do.
Yes, synchronize.
Yeah. For example, you have added a new item, but the salesman keep complain, why I cannot see this item? Then you come here and check. The salesman haven't do the update and sync yet. So admin need to inform the salesman. I just update the item at 2:20 p.m. So the salesman need to go and synchronize to do the update and sync step in their apps. Okay, so the time created and the device version. So we have here, we got iPad with the iOS version, and also the Huawei device 2.59.3. Who is using Huawei? You. Okay. So here you have a logout button at behind. So this one is for you to like log out. For example, your phone already broken. You cannot see, right? Okay. So this logout button is, for example, your phone today is broken. Maybe you cannot turn it on, but you need to log in. Okay, you need to log in to the new device. So if you haven't logged out, you cannot log in, because it will trigger this account is logged in another device when you log in. So what you can do is the salesman need to call back to the office and inform the admin to click out the logout button. So you need to inform her your agent code or your email. Then you click on the log. Then the admin need to go to this SalesHero backend and click on this button. Then once done, you can inform back to the salesman. You can try to log in now. Okay. So now we will go on to this salesman setting. Okay. So any question in the any question?
I have a question.
Yeah.
How to inactive the salesman?
The salesman, if you want to inactive, the admin need to inform our customer service, our support team. So our support team will go to inactive the salesman account. Okay. So I will move on to this salesman setting. Okay, when I click in, so I'll be able to see your company name first. Then this is the agent code and email. Then this is the password. So if you the salesman forget the password, so the admin can come into this setting, salesman setting. So you delete, then you type again, key in the new password, then you scroll down and click update. Yeah, that's all. So once done, you inform the salesman the latest password and ask them to log in to the SalesHero app. Okay. So next is this is our another app setting is B2B. This is for the B2B salesman account. Yeah. So we can ignore this. So So position. So we have different level of position, boss, manager, or salesman. If today this account is a boss, so we need to tick on the boss account. So the setting is different, and the boss account can view all the information, and manager can have the access right to view some of the info. Yeah. So salesman can only view their own agent details only, the information. Okay. So salesman, if they want to view other salesman report, then they can tick on this and tick on the agent code. So for example, sales 1 they want to view sales 2 summary report, then we can tick on here. But usually we will not allow lah. And we can tick on the advance report and the credit note and so on. So this followed by edit price. So just now you can edit the price, right? So now if we tick on, we edit price is on, and then we tick on the sales order invoice quotation, then salesman is allowed to edit price in all these documents. Sales order, invoice quotation, credit note, cashier's DO, consignment note, and so on. Okay. Block group setting means we can block, don't allow the salesman to view the item group. Okay. So if like for the company, the boss, they don't want the salesman to view some of the group which is sensitive, like for example raw material, so we can inactive, because some of the group is for the not the finished product, because the company, your company will purchase like raw material like wood pieces, like the screws. So the raw material we also the admin also will key in to the SQL accounting system, but we don't want the salesman to see this raw material like screwdriver, hammer, wood pieces, the raw material, so we can hide it from the salesman. Edit discount. Just now I told you guys to do the order with discount. So you can set enable, direct percent, or disable. Disable means the salesman not allowed to key in. And also here you can see 100%. Means the salesman can key in up to 100% discount.
Maximum 100%.
Yeah. So the admin, if the one salesman to key in more than 50%, you can here you can set 50 or 49%.
So when the salesman is when this limit is 50%, so if the salesman is right in 51%, it will not able to key in, or it will alert the salesman.
It will alert after save.
Oh, yeah, you can still key in, but after you save, it will alert you.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So we do the alert in the save button.
Oh.
So you can later on you can try hands-on. So minimum price, allow alert and block, and balance quantity. So this minimum price is admin can set in the auto count in the item. In each UOM have a minimum price. Yeah. So the salesman, the admin can key in the unit minimum price. So once the sales, for example, the price is 5 ringgit for an item, but the salesman they key in 4 ringgit 50 cent. Okay, allow means the salesman still can save the order. Okay, no blocking. Alert means it will trigger an alert, means it will warning. Then you key in lower than the minimum price.
Oh.
Yeah, block is means you cannot. Alert means you still can save the order. Block means you cannot save the order. Yeah. This balance quantity, as you mentioned, you asked just now, right? More than the balance quantity.
Yeah.
So this one is, for example, the item is 10 pieces balance quantity, but you key in is 20 pieces. So allow means you still can save. Alert, if you trigger an alert message, you order quantity is more than the balance quantity. Then a block is means you cannot save. Alert means you still can save the order. Okay. So this view not of invoice and CN. Now is currently all salesmen can view all the invoice and CN. No, if you want to set on, also can view on only. For example, you make a payment today, so sales one also create an payment invoice for the customer. So you go and collect payment, you can see the invoice also. If the not of invoice setting is view not of is all. If you click on, you can view your own invoice only. So this one is this is you can do the setting on, not off, or all. This one I will. If any question, you can ask later on this. Edit FOC means you can create a FOC item. So later on I will give an assignment again for the salesman to create order with FOC. Edit location means the salesman can select which location the stock to be deducted. Okay. Means you have where, for example, your company selling furniture, so you have different branch. Edit location, so you can choose. You have Penang, KL, or JB, but you want the stock deducted from the JB warehouse, so you can edit the location.
I'll choose the location.
Later I will show you where in the edit item details, the last one, the last second, I think. Yeah, be up above the remark. There's one option. Okay, edit I button means can edit the item details. And show cost means can see the item cost. Show balance quantity. Okay, so and also show low stock. This one is if you turn on this, if the item is low stock, you can see the low stock wording in the stock list. Okay, customer list, you can see set to own, advanced territory, or all. All means you can see all the customer list from accounting. Own means you can see your own customer. For example, sales one have their own customer, right? You can see your own only. And advanced territory, just now I mentioned. So for example, I set advanced territory. I can only view, for example, I'm sales one. I can only view sales one and sales three customer. Yeah. Okay. So below this, we have like setting for the take picture after print receipt. You can turn this on. After you print a receipt, you need to take the picture. And the approval control, send email after send order, you can turn on. Then after you send order, your email, you'll receive a notification. Instancing means you can do the instancing. Salesman can do the instancing. Instancing means you can click with a click of button in the update and sync module, so the sync tool will run automatically. Okay. So below here, if you have a different set of document number by different salesmen, each salesman have their own running number. So if any setting, you have adjusted any setting, just click on the update button. Okay. Yeah, if you want to change password or do any setting, you need to click on update once you have done the setting. Okay. So for this part, so any question, one question, Q&A?
So like every time we do the setting in the back end, so we always need to update and sync in the apps.
Yes. Yes. To get the latest setting from the back end. Okay. So for the admin, do you have any question? No. Okay. Yeah. About sales one.
For now, no.
No. Okay. So we'll move on to product. So this is the item in the accounting. So we can do sorting like group by group, category, or brand by different branding. And then you can search the item keyword here, item description or code or description. For example, I want to search the item keyword chair. Okay, so I type in and then I click filter. So it will show all the item with chair, item code or item description. So next, we can filter the item have image or not image, or item is hidden or visible. Okay. So here we can see, okay, a lot of items here. So how to upload image? So we can, our mouse cursor, we move to here, okay, on this item. If you have a upload logo, right? You can see the upload logo?
Yeah.
Click on it. So you can upload your image lah. Okay. So you can upload your image here. Once you upload, it will directly show. Then once the admin have uploaded all the item image, then the salesman will update and sync. We're able to see the item image. So if you upload the wrong image, so you can click on the red button to delete the image, or you can enlarge it if you want to say it clearly. Okay, and then we have on top right, we have batch image upload. So this one features is you can upload more than 20 pictures in one time. You can multiple select. Okay, you can multiple select. But before you select, the item image name need to rename to same with the item code. For example, this is item code, right? So you need to rename same as the item code before you select. You using this batch image upload. Okay. So if you have any question, so if the admin in future have want to know, forget already how to upload the item image, so can click on the YouTube logo here. So we have a tutorial video lah. Okay. So here we have a lot of items. Then we have item code, description, and the price and the balance quantity. So we have a ice button here lah, and ice and the 3 dot. So ice is to, once we turn it to the red button, means we inactive the item. The salesman won't able to see once if it's hidden, if hide.
Oh, so your meaning is when the X button become red or other side, then the salesman not able to sync for the product, the item only.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have another place to view this, to do this setting. So the three dot here, if you click inside, okay, here is the MOQ or BOQ lah. MOQ, ROQ, BOQ. So just now we can, in the company setting, we can follow SQL accounting or SalesHero, right? The minimum price, yeah, here is to set the MOQ. The MOQ. Okay. And then here below, okay, we can okay, for example, we already upload one picture, so we can upload additional 6 image. Total is 7 image.
Fixed.
Fixed.
Okay.
So we have 7 image. But our customer won't usually only using the first image only. So this is the additional Like the Shopee and Lazada, you can swipe to the right. Yeah. Okay, so admin have any question? So later on you need to upload picture for the item. So any question? Can understand, right? Can Okay. So next we'll move on to the order list. Okay, this is the order we sent out just now. Okay, this is the order we sent out. So we can press on the, okay, in this order list we have the date, the document date, and also the document number. Okay, and the customer name, agent code, and the amount. And here is the status. Open means the order didn't import to accounting yet. And the last one is the delete button. So we can preview the order by pressing on the PDF button here. You have below the document number here, have a PDF button. You press on it to view the order, okay, in PDF. So you can see this is cashier's and the billing address and the shipping address, and also this the document number, cashier's document, date and term, and the item with the price, how much. Okay. So this one you can also download and send to customer if admin want to send to the customer. So you have a few places you can view. Import to, just now you can view the PDF. Here you also can view the PDF. Okay. And also, yeah. So we have a few orders sent out just now. So, okay, so you can export to Excel the list, or you can export all the item details to your Excel file. Okay, so on top you can filter by date range, order type, agent code, and the import status and the order status. Okay. So for example, I want to view today's order only, so I select today. I click on search. So this is all the order the salesman sent out just now. You guys sent out just now. Okay. Okay. So next we go on to the payment list. So this is the payment list. So we have our document date, document number, customer code, agent, and the payment type, and the check date, and so on. Okay. And also, so here you cannot view anything, you cannot preview PDF, or okay, if for example the salesman have created the payment, invalid payment, wrong payment, so can click on the admin can go to this payment list and click cancel payment. And admin also can check whether this payment is not of which invoice, which amount. So yeah, that's all. So the order list and payment list you can preview. The default is open status. So if you want to preview the imported one, you can go to or you only select imported. Okay, so just now we have import some of the orders into the SQL accounting. So here you can select, you can see the quotation and the sales order imported to SQL accounting. So it will show the import time here, what time the order is imported. Okay, so that's all. Okay, next admin can create a sub-admin account. For example, you have hired a designer to upload the item image. So you can key in the email and the password, and you can select the company, then select the website module. Then if you don't want the designer to view the orders, so you don't need to tick. So this sub-admin account, if you want the sub-admin user to view the sales order, only you tick you tick here. Okay. So just now I have mentioned advanced territory, right? This one.
Oh yeah, ATM.
ATM. So we have two types of ATM. One is ATM auto assign. Means once you click on this two agent, it will automatically, you can automatically see this sales 1 and sales 3 customer. Okay, even though after the admin have added new customer, it will automatically show. Okay, so if you want to use the manual way, so you need to turn off this ATM auto assign, click update, and then you go to this customer, advanced customer territory management. So you select your company, and then you select the agent, then you click on load, then you can select which customer you want the salesman to view just take and then click on save. Okay, so after click on save, the salesman only can view these 4 customers from the list. In the list, in the sales agent, sales 1 only have 4 customers. Okay. Okay, just now I have mentioned we have one place to turn on and turn off the item.
Item package.
Item. So we can go to the product here, and then we go to maintain iFilter.
Oh.
And then we can select, search for our company name. Okay. And then we click on the filter button here. Under the filter wording have a button here. So you tick on this. So this we can, okay, we have a lot of item here. So if you want to disable, turn off, disable the item, so we just turn the active to inactive. So after we click on save, so the salesman won't able to see this item. Okay. So we can see also which salesman is under this iFilter. Sales 1, Sales 2 and Sales 3. So for example, you want to move the Sales 2 to another filter also can. View the salesman only view the lead special, the item, the iFilter setting. Yeah. Okay, so for example, some items have two UOM. For example, unit or carton. So we can also inactive the UOM as well. So for example, carton and unit, we can inactive the carton. Then we click on save. Then the salesman only can see the unit. Okay. So we can either inactive item or UOM. So by group, so we can see we have a different group here. So we can also inactive the group, turn to red button and save. So it will affect all the salesmen. The salesmen all cannot see this item under group code is storage. Okay. Then you go to next by category. So we can also inactive the category code. So if we inactive one of the group or category, it will affect the item not able to show in the app. Okay. Because some item if have for example, some item they under these furnitures or under lightning. So if we inactive this lightning, the whole group will not able to show, will become inactive. So we go to filter by item. You can see after I inactive, all the item is this group is disabled. Okay. So before you inactive, make sure not affected the salesman to view the item. So next one is customize item sequence. So you can set the sequence number for the item list. Okay, so we can arrange the number of sequence by different of item. So for example, some item you want them to show on top and below, so you can arrange 1 until 10, or total we have a lot, around 30, 60, we have around 60 something item. Okay, so you can set the sequence which item want to show first, second, third and fourth and so on. Okay. So the salesman, the admin part is until here. So any question from all the participants?
So what is the function, the duplicate filter?
The duplicate filter.
Yeah, on the.
This one is to duplicate this filter lah, the eye filter here. Okay.
Why?
How to function for what the function?
Is, for example, you want to copy this filter because you already inactive some of the item. But, okay, so you want to copy this filter for another salesman because now it have 3 salesmen. Maybe one of the salesmen you want to is the item they want to view the item is different compared to another 2 salesmen. Okay. Maybe then you can click on the duplicate filter. And then you click on the filter name lah, sales 2 for example. Then we click on duplicate. Okay, then we go to the eye filter list. We search for sales 2.
So for the item that you already hide, on sales 2 also will be hide.
Yes, we duplicate the filter. So we click on the filter button here. So we can be able to see just now some of the group is hide, and yeah. Yeah.
So this can do as a backup lah.
Yeah. Yeah, can duplicate lah, copy.
So that's another trick.
Okay. So we already complete this setting lah. Okay, so I will go on to take some of the goodies, then we'll come back in a short while.
他好像还要来进来呀，他都自己都讲困了啊。
还是叫我们有没有睡觉啊？
没有，他们没有 case 现在，他们在线。
他们没有 case 他们走来走去。
快点看我们在崩溃了，全部在炸着。
来个麦，拿起来唱歌。
他有声音你看。没有的，你记得。
他只有热气。
有热气是这个，热气是这个。
So we'll give task to you guys lah. So need for all the salesmen.
Yeah.
Yes. You need to create an order. Okay. One order at least with one FOC item, and at least with one item have 3 times of discount. Okay.
How many items?
No, I didn't set the limit of the item in one order.
Okay.
So in one order, you need to have one item with FOC item.
Okay.
With discount.
FOC I get discount.
Okay. And with remark.
How many remark?
At least one item.
Okay. One item, one remark.
Not compulsory one item, one remark. Only one item, any item with remark.
Okay.
And any item with discount, and any item with FOC.
Okay.
So can
3 items
Is it?
No, no.
How many no limit lah? Minimum no limit lah.
Just require
But the fastest will get some goodies from me. So start now. Once done, you just let me know. I want to know who is the winner. Answer? Okay. So let me check. Okay. Which one? This one. FOC. Okay, discount and remark. Okay, so remark. Anyway, we go back.
我这听错了。啊，听错了。我在这边呢，这个是。
This one, this one.
介绍人先。
No. I need to set again. Set already. Done. I need to key again.
I pass it to you.
No need. Check. Okay. Check. FOC. Discount. Remark. This one. Okay, can. So you already done? Not yet. So you already sent out?
No, I didn't see any FOC.
You have the winner.
Oh, thank you. It was Aidan. Yeah. I didn't see the free of charge. 这边有哦，是不是？Bak.
So how you key?
Yeah, got mah. Nah, unit price below the unit price but I didn't have. I found the bug. They will think I found the bug.
Here can key na. FOC got na.
This he didn't have. Yeah. Why? They didn't.
Got.
Now got.
Oh, you cannot if you go to the next button, right? You won't have one. in the summary page won't have.
Oh, so I follow.
啊啊 OK
他是这样的，现在那个没办法，就要跨安的去同一级收的，收购了对吗？
啊
那个全已收购了。
我这样啊
OK
都现在没有
这样的
easy solve
他
OK
会问我们这边需要做什么，说你记得要一节的就是你不要自己做买贵的，
啊 OK
我的
不要像那个 YF 这样。
这有啊，但是这个没有 stop 的话
那些要买贵啊，连大发不去另外，然后把另外一个收过来的时候，就是要把说这个东西只能留那个。
OK
记得啊。
啊记得
老人，那我这个教掉，这个还是一个。哦。
OK good try
好像是夹下面有是吧？
有2个吗？
啊，有的啦，这在下面啦，奇怪。我是3。
give you one you have like try out the how to create the order
因为有其他还是 LC 没错，我这个也是他。
So next question. This is a quiz. It's not a. Later I have another quiz. So where is the place for I unable to log in? So which setting I need to go to? Which page? ไหน
Just that.
อ่า
Suspend this.
อ่า
你说unable to log in，还是 device 坏掉？
他们device 坏掉了就。
哦，这样去 assessment list log out 啊，然后再做新的 device 啊。
And then
应该啊。
where to upload the company logo?
Company list.
Update
啊
and then next logo 啊 ，brown logo 啊，应该是啊，没记错。
Yeah.
进货啊，进货啊。
Can list out 2 place to inactive the item. Which page?
Item filter.
I filter too.
Okay, I filter another one.
那个是什么啊？那个是 item list 啊
stop item。
item 那个它是一个眼睛的，按下去它就不见了，那个叫我忘记了。
那个可以。
啊，还是按那个眼睛，还是整个不见掉？我这个叫什么名字
Which page? Which page?
我知道这叫什么名字，我知道是什么名字，我知道是什么了。
Which page?
Maintain stock item 吧。
Yes, correct.
快准备讲你知道
Correct.
？Thank you.
So next we'll go on to our
Agent.
quiz. So you can use your mobile phone. You also can use your mobile phone to scan, and then we will have our
Small item.
quiz in a short while lah. Okay.
估计时间不到。有可能有点晚了。
scan 了吗？还没有。来，
听不到。
等一下先，回来啊。
presenter not yet inside.
Waiting for presenter.
Yeah,
Okay.
waiting for presenter. Our presenter stay outside. Empty.
So we will go to the salesman app first. Already scanned? Not yet. Okay. So so next, scan the QR code. Already scanned?
Yeah, but
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Already scanned? Already scanned. Okay.
yeah.
So next,
Oh, anything else?
so you can type your name.
Is it require the
Huh? What?
Is it require the
No need. No.
我知道，哦，我来了。四叶草，我来。随便谁放一个。
Okay. All ready. So we'll start now.
Not yet.
Okay. Huh?
Same ah. Haven't respond ah.
Huh? Wait.
I think you need to go to
Okay.
Very
Okay. Hold on. Let me start again. Okay. Okay. Start. How many times need to sing data every day? At least. Okay, as much as you can, all wrong. It's not two. Just like I say, before start word and
Oh yeah.
okay.
我写出来了，一直新的新的。
Next. Okay, start now. Able to add new customer before open new order document? Right. Yes or no?
We won't know.
So
Yes.
yes. Because you can add in the customer list there. Okay. So next we review the answer. Who is the winner? Bun Yongpo. PY is who? You. Oh, okay. Okay, next.
他最后面这个是你哦。
Question number 3 yeah. Okay. 那个鸟刚刚 Okay. Send order can edit or add more item. Send order.
Send order.
Send.
No. 我不要录进，超感激。
Okay, yeah, all correct. But we see who is the fastest. Wow, Bun Yongpo is the fastest. Okay. So we move on to the next one. Question 4. Okay, all ready? Which module able to repeat order document? Okay, all correct. Pandai. So we see who is the fastest. YB is chasing up. Okay. V is who? V. Alright. Okay, next. Question 5. Okay, start now. What's the difference between summary report and advance report? Just now I got mentioned but maybe
I don't know，拿到哪有？靠感觉吗？我不知道，我随便指。
alright.
两个人吧。
Okay. Summary report is the order from SalesHero only, and one report is the order invoice CN from accounting.
哦，应该。
Yeah.
全部有抄到。他可以选的咩？
Okay.
第几？第六。
Start now. Question 6. Where to check and refer back sales history info? Just now I got mentioned, right?
我不知道对不对？反的，我不知道对不对？哎，我对啊。还有人是对，一啊，哦，都对的，对的，对的。哇，这样快啊！
Okay. Bun Yongpo still the number 1. So next we move on to the last question. Question number 7. Okay, all ready? Start. So where can change and update customer information? Okay. So only customer information in apps you only can view, but if you want to update, you need to update in SQL accounting. Okay. So we check who is the one. The winner is Bun Yongpo. Okay. So let me prepare my gift lah.
精华，少话。进货。
Okay, next we move on to the next quiz. Okay.
Malvin,
Yes.
may I go to the toilet?
Okay.
得。
5 minutes.
得。
Huh? Take 5.
能明白吗？
5 minutes. Okay.
导演跟我讲讲。
喝水一下。
没有很早。
Okay, so now we move on to our back end quiz. So everyone ready your mobile phone? Có là a bit lag. Not this QR, another. I think it's the next one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. So everyone is ready?
Somebody not come. Somebody not come yet. Oh no. 听不到。
听不到。
听到我。你 scan QR 吗？还是你要接近好了再打的那个？7880429。
没有，you scan here? Okay. Type in all your name. Ready? Ready? Okay. Okay, now we start. Okay. Create site and make account for what purpose? Oh, okay. So most of the participants get correct answer lah. 3.
有人做出来，抓到了。
Okay. Somebody, who is your somebody? Okay. So next, we move on to question number 2. Everyone ready? Start. So which page will preview order document? Yeah, just now I have demonstrate.
Oh shit, I clicked wrong. Cái này à? Ôi giời. Hay hả? Luckily click wrong, luckily. Luckily click wrong.
Okay. Somebody, the first lah. Okay. Okay, number 3. Start. What is ATM in SalesHero system?
这14是按错，应该第二个才对，完了第一个。
Okay.
Yes.
Too fast.
At least I see auto dealer must add auto, I press auto.
Okay. Okay. Somebody still on the top.
Somebody.
Somebody. Okay. Question number 4. Start now. So what is the iFuture feature for? Just now I have mentioned. Yes, all is correct. Okay. Next, we move on to question number 5. Okay, all ready? Start now. Where to set number of discount?
Seventy 应该是 seventy 是吧？是吧？是 seventy 是吧？我跟你讲，我就是忘记了。
Maintain company.
哦，maintain company 是啊。因为我在想着是 seventy 上面的。
Okay.
哦，你有这第一啊
Okay, so we go on to the last question. Not number 6. Back end able to do approve or reject order document. Okay.
这里我不会，这个不会，我不知道是哪。
Actually it's both 啊。
还有还可以说多对啊。这个靠狗运气啊。哦，我是最慢的。
Okay. Somebody is still the first one.
Somebody win already ah.
Okay, number 7. We start now. Okay. Agent. This one I missed out to mention this, but I guess for you guys see whether can guess correct or not. Okay, so accounting default agent code, it will follow accounting agent code, but order assigned to is follow the because setting choose order assigned to, yes, correct. So okay, somebody is a winner lah. Okay.
Congratulations.
I prepare my gift. Tomorrow breakfast.
Tomorrow got breakfast already.
Okay. Thank you everyone for your time. Not yet.
想到我。
Okay. So after you using the SalesHero apps to place order lah, okay, do you have any additional features, feedback want to improve for our apps for all the salesmen? Yeah. Any idea?
Maybe add voice recognition.
Voice recognition to place order.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
Based on
We have this function lah. Yeah. but we not
Yes, sir.
not many people using. Yes, this is a good idea.
Based on the age, based on the age recognition, based on the age, like 30 to 40 the years old for the bus, they can buy the like something.
No, we don't have this.
That's good. Like auntie, they always like this. Hey, buy this, buy this.
But this one is for the wholesaler. You sell furniture, right? You go to the boss only, right? Yeah.
I recommended something to the auntie and uncle.
So after office admin, you like having any issue, so you can find our support team lah. We have our support team over there, so we can assist you lah on any issue happen. Yeah. So later on, okay, I will give you a training feedback form lah for you to fill in later. Okay, hold on. So any question and answer Q&A, I open to all. Any question Q&A?
How about you? How about you?
Or have any question
Any
Q&A?
questions? Our admin? Admin, did you have any questions? Okay, I think we didn't have any questions. You got I think we didn't have any questions.
Okay.
Too perfect. Today, training too perfect. We didn't have any questions.
Too many knowledge.
Yeah, too many knowledge.
Okay, so I think I will prepare one the questionnaire for you. So you need to fill in the Google form lah later on. Okay, then I will send to you guys the feedback form, the link. So you fill in and then you send back to me by today lah.
Okay. It's okay, no problem.
Okay. So before we end, we recap what we learned today. Okay. So, okay, let me recap the title we learned today. So we learned on how to use SalesHero to place order, to open order, and how to link the Bluetooth printer to print receipt, and also hidden, the sync tool and the import tool, and also how to do the changes setting in the SalesHero backend, how to upload image, for example, how to inactive the item. Okay, so any new knowledge you guys learned today, or just like normal? Got gain any new knowledge today?
For the first time, I'm seeing these apps. These apps.
Before this, you got use any app to place order?
A lot, like maybe Food Panda, Grab, Shopee, Lazada.
Okay, good. So, okay. So, got gain any knowledge on the back end? So after this, you can do the setting by your own, no? On the upload item, image, and also before you start, give the salesman to place order, you need to inactive all the item. The item you don't want to show out to the salesman, and also you can reset the password in the SalesHero salesman list, maintain salesman list, because currently the password is set by default 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after this you need to reset the salesman password okay. So I think that's all for our session for today. So any like comment for my hosting today, for my training today? Really clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, very clearly. Easy to understand.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay.
easy to understand.
Okay. So I just train the basic one. I don't want to go too complicated. So I want to make sure you all can place order using the SalesHero app, and also can know how to use the back-end setting. I just train the basic one, the most frequent use function in the SalesHero app. Okay, so I think that's all for our training today. So I think we'll dismiss the training session. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. Okay. So we'll end our meeting today.